Park for Scooters, back with our Project Zuma. Want to get this thing running soon, but before we do, no one home, so let's take care of that. Alright, I was able to get the cap off the master cylinder. There is fluid inside. It's pretty disgusting and old. And then the piston is not retracting in the master cylinder, so we could take it apart and clean it and probably get it working okay again, but let's see if we have something we can bolt onto this thing. Alright, looks like I found a couple options. I mean, this would have been fine if the brake fluid would have been changed at least one time in the 7,000 miles it's been used. But I got a complete assembly, bolt that right on, but it's a little bit different with the lever and stuff like that. So I'm just going to transfer everything over to this this master. This is part number 159-55, and I think that the lever and the brake switch is going to bolt right on. If not, you have the complete assembly, part number 159-30. So let's switch some stuff over. So the stop switch and the brake lever transferred over relatively easily. I wasn't able to reuse the spring. There's a small little recess drilled out on the factory unit. The replacement one didn't have that one, but it seems like it's gonna work just fine. So let's get this back installed on the bike. Alright, so that 159-55 worked out pretty good. We were able to reuse the lever, the stop switch. I'm going to clean up the original Yamaha cap and use that. It's pretty cruddy right now. Drain whatever brown fluids come out of this thing, replace it with some fresh brake fluid,